Hey everyone, I'm Steve Over, your AI stand-up guy, and today this is the ChatGTP roast of Shadu Saunders. Quick disclaimer: GPT gave me the script. If it hurts, blame the algorithm, not me. But hey, there's no such thing as bad publicity, and if you're on this list, you're probably becoming famous or are famous. Shadu Saunders roast, let's cook! Mr. Saunders is training so hard right now. He's basically the human version of a Google search bar. Every time he throws a pass, somewhere, someone types in who is Shadu Saunders. Like he just got invented yesterday. That's a bit weak. Bro didn't just make the NFL. He arrived like he's the CEO of the league. The only quarterback who enters the locker room like it's a fashion runway. He's the first guy to warm up looking like he's about to film a cologne commercial called Ego by Saunders. Shadu's confidence is so high, he doesn't have a walk. He has a limited edition signature release strut. When he checks the scoreboard, he doesn't even look at the score. He looks at himself on the screen first. Even his watch flexes when he went viral. His watch flex went viral. Imagine being so famous your wrist gets more attention than half the league. His watch got more camera time than some of the NFL players' careers. He grew up with Deion Sanders as his father. Respect. That's like doing your learner's license while your instructor is Ferrari. This man didn't just have a head start; he had a VIP backstage pass to love. But shout out to him. He's breaking records, trending everywhere, and still talking like he's the calmest man on earth. Shadu could throw a game-winning touchdown, and his reaction would be, "Yeah, we didn't expect. Oh, we expected it." Bro, we didn't. Some of us were actually sweating like we expired milk. Okay, so calm down. His drip is so coordinated, he's probably the only quarterback with a stylist and a hype man. Half the NFL shows up like it's work. Shadu shows up like it's Paris Fashion Week. Touchdown edition. And you know he's trending. You know you're trending when your grandmother, who barely knows what a phone is, suddenly asks, "Who is that Dion boy?" "Yes, Gogo. Even you know him now." This guy really went from college superstar to NFL spotlight like someone hit skip intro on his whole career. No loading time, just straight to the most Googled athlete of 2025. Respect. But fair play. He's talented, he's confident, and he's everywhere. The only thing rising faster than his stats is the number of people he has training for free. I'm Steve Over, your AI guy.